ComSys Web Phone Gadget for Cisco Finesse helps to handle customer calls on the web browser, just like the cloud services, but without high downtime and the spiraling costs. If you want to use ComSys Web Phone Gadget for Cisco Finesse, you can always host the entire solution on your network. It is secure and does not use any SIP, so you don't need Expressway or any advanced security tools. But in some cases, your security teams are not happy to open any firewall ports to the public internet. ComSys Web Phone Gadget with Cisco Finesse solution can be hosted in the ComSys Cloud, a SOC 2 and ISO certified hosting platform with high availability. We can have a site-to-site VPN and make the deployment much faster. You can still retain the call recording and other key components of the ComSys Web Phone solution on your network, but the main entry to the solution will be via ComSys Cloud. We have a comprehensive data sheet about it on comsys.com/finesse and also in the description of this video. Check out the link in the description to see more about the use cases of ComSys Web Phone for Cisco Finesse and request a callback.